to the channel. As you can read the title, yes, it is true. The Integra, the supercharged Integra is no longer. I am selling my Craftworks supercharger. Oh, here we go. Oh God, here we go.
Now let's talk about why.
It's no secret, the supercharger content alone didn't do as well as I thought it would, being that it's different, it's supercharger stuff, but then again, I didn't go street racing. The last racing video I did was with Randy, and that generated like 40,000 plus views, which was awesome, but like, I am not the type of YouTuber to go street racing, bro. Like, I want to protect my life, you know? Anything can happen out there in street racing, right? I don't condone it. And I know that's what like a lot of YouTube stuff or a lot of YouTube people want to see. Like,
bro, go street racing, bro. Go racing, bro. Go to blah, blah, blah. That's
just not, I want to build cars to like be fun and do fun things with. And street racing is fun and all, but I don't condone it. I don't recommend street racing. You know what I mean? I ain't trying to be PG and shit, but I'm just saying, I don't want to be liable if y'all go after this video with street racing and y'all, you know, I'm the dog. I'm good on that, pimp. The supercharger setup for the Integra was meant for time attack racing, and the Integra isn't my dedicated track car anymore. I'm focusing on the Civic as my dedicated all-in-one track race car. So the Integra is going back to being just my daily street car type thing, and I want to, you know, change it up. Supercharger's cool and all, but there's nothing like turbo, bruh. Super facts. That is why I'm selling the stuff off this car, so I can go turbo. And the 8th gen is also going turbo, but that won't be happening until next year. So, or maybe a year and a half from now. I want to get all the all-motor seat time I can get with my current setup, where I'm at as a driver. I just want to get all that dialed in before I want to yearn for more power. For the Integra will be a nice 2420 turbo car. Hey, just a friendly reminder, you have 1 week from today to put in an order. Well, maybe not 1 week, like you have 5 days from today to put in an order at Alpha Injection with special promo code ZOSH to save you 15% off. That's a lot of damn money. And guess what? If you place an order right now with promo code ZOSH, you're automatically entered to win $200 or a hybrid racing fuel rail to pair with your brand new set of injectors. Tap in with the fam over at Alpha Injection, baby. You got until the 11th of April to place your order. Use promo code ZOSH to save 15% off, and then you're automatically in to win $200 or a hybrid racing fuel rail. The choice is yours, baby. Now on to the video. So this is the last time you will see this car supercharged. I can't even go for a drive because, well, the wheels are off, and the Civic don't even move due to the brakes issues that I've been having with that thing. The header is already sold. The supercharger kit is not have been sold yet. So if you're looking to buy my my supercharged kit for your K-swapped Honda, holla at your boy. Let me give you guys one last startup. Oh, my baby, my baby.
Can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down and pinched. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these hoes, cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she pays it with.
Exhaust is off. What? You guys probably can't see me, but that's cool. I'm on my way right now to sell the header. So one of the first parts to go of this entire little part out I'm doing is the header.
You are now listening to 99.9 Jams with my man ZOSH. Gonna bring the hot fire for your boys. Your motorize you.
Wagwan, my youth! Welcome back to ZOSH radio station 99.9 Jams. Today we're kicking it old school. We're taking it back to the early 1995. It's been a minute since my radio station was on the air.
things happen. Big man things happen. We're back in action. We're back to give you what you need. Give you what you want. The boom boom is fighting fire. Turn it up. I'm not cool. I can do that, boo. What you want? Some shoes, Jimmy Choo?
Came in this shit by myself. Why you fucking girl? Oh shit, cause I'm a player.
I got me some bathing. I got me some bathing. I got me some pressure.
Bittersweet stuff right here, fam. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the hot side, and then, well, maybe this is cold side. No, this is hot side. Yeah, this is cold side. This is, I can't remember, bruh. But let's go ahead and remove this. This is crazy, man. This is bittersweet, bruh. I'm a supercharged setup, the most quick and easy setup to do if you want to make some extra power. So simple, bro. Look, nothing to it.
Everything that we do exclusive, make sure that it's all inclusive. I was taught make no excuses. As a man, you can't be useless. Man up cause these people ruthless. Down, these thoughts clueless. Lobster Mac, I'm up at roof. Chris, from my tone, you peep the smoothness. In this world, you get the loot. Then your dreams is gonna be lucid. Fool me one time, shame on you. Second time, you gonna be foolish. All that BS for the birds. They come to me, I'm chucking deuces. I stay loyal to the soil, never out here breaking truces. On this road, it's bumps and bruises. Either you move smart or stupid. Nike's on my feet, yeah, and I got a couple swooshes. We ain't have a choice, really. It was either sports or music. Came up in that 90s gritty. That's why this so therapeutic.
Look at that thing right there. Look at that. My supercharger is basically almost off. There it goes, the intercooler charge pipe. And now we just gotta take out all this stuff right here, and then we should be good. It's gonna be a mess because of this oil.
Been proud of our accomplishments. Seen a lot of but that don't mean I had to follow it. We in a different caliber. These just some scavengers. Feeling like King Arthur when he grabbed the sword Excalibur. Always plan ahead, we been looking at the calendar. Designated driver, but I'm sitting in the passenger. Stacking up our bread, we just watch the numbers adding up. I ain't gon' front, we gon' need a ladder, bruh. All that don't matter, you could tell them batter up. I need my pockets fat enough. Hit her with that stamina, keep getting fatter, bruh. Pull up in the Maxima, turned up to the maximum. We in here laying tracks again. This here was designed.
Supercharger stuff is all off the card. Look at my baby, bruh. Look at my baby. Oh, look at all that space. This is the best thing about half-size radiators and K-Series. Look at that starter right there, alternator right there, thermostat, all that stuff is literally right there. Back to being all motor. Well, I have no header, so I have no, well, exhaust might be sold this Sunday. If anyone's still interested, I haven't sold this yet, so this is $30,850 shipped for the supercharger setup. Comes with everything. Bro, all you have to do is, if you have an Integra, it comes with everything, like the custom brackets, the mount up, the intercooler, everything needed in order to slap this on your car and go fast. It will not come with my 4-bar map sensor or my alpha injection injectors. You gotta buy that your own, but if you use discount code ZOSH, you can get a discount. It is an end of an era. Then you look over here, and then I'm already starting the process of doing my ABS relocation kit from DC5 Creations. And yeah, I see why people talking about it's gonna be a pain in the ass to do while the motor's in, because the wiring, bruh, the wiring gonna be a business. But hopefully I can figure that part out. But mounting the ABS unit back there shouldn't be too hard. I don't think the mounting stuff is hard. It's just the process of the wiring that's gonna be a pain. Everything else seems pretty damn easy. Stay tuned for that video. So that is pretty much wraps for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video that talk more about why I'm doing what I'm doing. It makes more sense for me to do the turbo build on the Integra and then supercharge the Civic due to, it just makes more sense. Going turbocharge on the Integra would boost content, bro. Like, the amount of content I'll be able to provide you guys with like turbo build stuff, like how I did when I went K-Series for the first time and when I did the B20V turbo. So I'm trying to, you know, reignite that fuel that once was here with turbo stuff on the channel. So more turbo stuff will be on the channel forwarding soon. Once the supercharger kit is sold, then we can push forward and getting the kit and all this stuff right here, and then, you know, do our thug dizzle. You know the vibes. I know I spoke earlier in this video about the Civic being turbocharged, which still might happen. Honestly, it might happen next year or next 2 years, but I was thinking superchargers like direct bolt-on. It won't require much. A full kit, slap that John on, and be boosted in like a day, like a couple hours of my time, and I'll be supercharged. So I don't know. We'll see whatever happens in that time frame. That's way longer from here. I might be making way more bank, so full send with a damn built motor and turbo. We'll see, bro. We'll see. But thank you guys for watching this video. Let me guys know what you guys think about this video and all that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like on the video. If you did not, dislike the video. I don't know, I love you, but I don't give a f. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. And also check out Alpha Injection. Pick up some damn injectors, alright? Link down below for your chance to win $200 or a Hybrid Racing fuel rail. But you know, y'all gonna get the bread, cause y'all bread is bread. You in? I'm out. Peace.